て入賞者は7個とあ。
目の七不思議。そろそろ始まる衝撃アニメは空前絶後のオフがある。バナナは夜食。おいてめえ、どこ中だこら、ぶっ込むぞ。
A few moments later.
でもただでこんな面白いのが見れるなんてネットはすごいな。うまるは今世界とつながってるよ。
Moments later.
まずい、さっきの機械はインターネットにつなぐためのものだったんだ。どうしよう、ネットができない。そうだ、ヤフー知恵袋で調べよう。ネットができないから調べられない。そうだ、タブレットで。Wi-Fi モデルだこれ。ネットがないと世界につながれない。こんな大変なことになるなんて。とりあえずゲームをして落ち着こう。
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
You know where we at, it's prime time rapping. Let's go ahead and get into it. We got our challenger over here.
Yep. T-Bone 225, run my nap.
225? Is that an area code or something? Put that on the map.
Oh, shit.
T-Steak, let's go ahead and get into our main man, the champion himself. No need for introduction. all, I'm not a rapper. Let's go ahead and get into this little coin toss here.
We got good luck with this.
Good luck.
Hey,
about luck.
you know what I do? Heads.
Okay.
You know how I go.
Yep, tails.
Hey. I go first.
Yeah, but
Hey, tell him.
hold on, I want to talk.
Comes super hot. He goes first.
What is this?
Check me out.
I'm checking you.
Get it. I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number.
What's that shit say?
Psych! That's the wrong number!
How does that make you feel?
What?
Spit that.
Sweet dollar tea from McDonald's.
Yep.
I drink that. Super hot fire. I spit that. 2.5 men. I watched that. That show is hilarious though. Now hold it down.
Hey, it's the announcer. I'm the announcer.
I'm not a rapper. Alright, check me out. Glasses, jacket, shirt. Call me glasses, jacket, and shirt man.
Call him that.
I'll call me super hot boy. 100 degrees, leather jacket. Cause I'm super hot, boy.
A few moments later.
I'm not a rapper.
Super hot.
I'm not a rapper.
Nice.
A few moments later.
All right. I'm sorry, I got lost in a train of thought of just all that goodness I just heard. Go ahead and get this crowd pumped up just a little bit more if you can, T-Steak.
T-Bone, man.
Yeah,
T-Bone, get his name right. T-Bone.
Yeah. Okay. Who are you? Producer?
Is this who they put me up against? Super hot? I never heard of you. I'm looking at him like, is he stupid? I'm about to murder you. My crew ain't waiters, but no, they're still serving you. I'm like Shaq, I get foul and then his back, he'll take 32. Shots! Your girl always confused my John with her spoon. Pops! Come on, yeah, it's tall enough so she can ride. Knots! I got the tool, but for you, I keep the merchandise about the shots. They told me I had to battle. I'm like, is this who they set up? Oh, bro. I'm like, nah, it can't be. This must be a setup.
Round two, you're done. You're done, round two.
All right, go ahead and get into it, champion.
Look.
Getting champ. Pull on our pants for this one. Pull them up.
Let's go for the hood.
First of all,
Yeah.
I'm not your friend, so stop looking at me. Second of all, I'm not a rapper, so stop rapping at me.
It happens.
It happens, bro.
It happens. Just,
Anyway. All right, check me out.
hey, kill it off for me. Let's end this.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
What career?
But I'm not a rapper.
What career?
Look.
You got a point. Here it is.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
This is prime time rapping. You see what goes down. We're done here. It's a wrap. Champion Hot just won that. Cool him down. Cool him down.
Look. Killed another opponent. I'm not a rapper though.